Hey socialites, so I'm headed out to Sunday brunch. So I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I already did my makeup, but it wasn't, when I tell you it wasn't even anything to record, I literally put on powder. I don't have any blush, I don't have any highlights, I don't have any contour. Literally put on the Makeup Forever powder, liner, lashes, and lip gloss. That's it. That's it, because I'm in a rush. So shorts, Forever 21. This is like a cropped backless top. Forever 21. Zara for the blazer. Zara. Amazon. Coach. And then these are like Steve Madden, little rhinestone shoes from Steve Madden. And so we're just going to Sunday brunch. Might run around, do some other things, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Delina exclusive for the fragrance. This is the perfect Sunday brunch fragrance, absolutely perfect. It is a beautiful ambery rose scent that it's a super head turner. That's all I'm saying. If you want heads to turn, if you want people to take double looks at you, this is what you need. So we're wearing exclusive. I think I sprayed my face, but yeah, this is the look. So let's go. Okay, y'all, we are headed to the restaurant for Sunday brunch. Not sure what I'm gonna get. I really want to sit outside. This is one of those places that I think has outside seating as well. Such a pretty day, y'all. The sun is shining bright. It's like 70 something degrees outside, which is kind of cold for me, not gonna lie. So that's why I put the blazer on, but still shorts. But it's beautiful. This particular restaurant is in a town center, so it's tons of shopping over there. They do have a Sephora. So I'm definitely gonna pop in there because one of my NARS foundations is over with and done. On my clients, I use the Natural Radiance foundation from NARS, and the most popular color is Macao. I mix that with everything to get the perfect color for my clients. So I definitely need to pick one of those up, and you know, we'll kind of see and go from there.
I never made love. Easy, baby. I never made love. I had some issues. I never made love. 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 Easy, baby. I never made love. Love, 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 love. I never made love. I never made love. Love, 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 love. Easy, baby. I'll be back. Be back. Be back.
Girls ain't no duck.
I'll be back. Be back. Be back. Be back.
That's good. Bright color.
Got the bomb and D. Put it down. 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 Girls ain't no killer. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
sex symbol.
She was a man, she wanted the Gucci. I was a wildest on me, I got the Gucci. Put up in the Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some up on the front seat. We gon' go for an hour, then we gon' to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, that's what it get. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back. Attract me, they relax me. You ain't gotta ask me.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay.
So brunch was super tasty. It was really good. So I would recommend what I got. It was tasty. By Sephora, there's actually a mall right over there. So I did look around a little bit in the mall, and then we left, pulling in over here at the Houston Galleria. I know I came here for the first Sephora haul on day one of the sale, but we about to go to Louis and see what's going on in there. Mr. said we can come in here today. So about to pop into Louis and see what's what. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm getting. If you guys haven't seen my wish list, my luxury wish list, I think it's either my luxury wish list or my wish list. Click on that link right there to check out my wish list or just some things that I had my eye on. So yeah, they're kind of funny acting in here, so I'm gonna see if I can sneak y'all in. Maybe not, I'm not sure. So
Like we don't see. I wanna start at the top or the bottom, babe. Then you wanna shoot with the red bottom, babe. You know I like when you rise at the top, babe. She wants Chanel, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the fofo. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go home. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the